Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to quickly remove multiple events from your Outlook calendar. If you've accumulated dozens of old meetings, outdated appointments, or recurring events that you no longer need, this method will save you tons of time by letting you delete them all at once instead of clicking through them one by one. Let's start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, log into your account and wait for your emails to load completely. This initial step ensures that all your calendar data syncs properly before we make any changes. Now that your email has loaded, we need to navigate to the calendar section. Look at the bottom left part of your screen where you'll find your main navigation menu. Click on the calendar icon to switch from your inbox view to your calendar. This opens up all your scheduled events, meetings, and appointments in the familiar calendar layout. Here's where the magic happens. Once your calendar menu is open, direct your attention to the top part of your screen and click on the View tab. This tab controls how your calendar information is displayed, and it's crucial for what we're about to do. Under the View tab, look for the Current View section and click on Change View. A drop-down menu will appear showing different ways you can organize and display your calendar entries. From that list of options, click on List. This is the key step that transforms your calendar from the traditional grid layout into a detailed list format. What makes this view so powerful is that it displays all your tagged holidays, events, meetings, and other appointments in one scrollable list, making it incredibly easy to see everything at a glance and select multiple items quickly. Now comes the cleanup. From this list view, you can select multiple calendar events by clicking on the first one you want to delete, then holding down the Control key while clicking additional events to highlight them all. You can also click one event, hold Shift, and click another event further down to select everything in between. Once you've highlighted all the events you want to remove, simply press the delete button on your keyboard and they'll be removed from your calendar instantly. And that's it. You've just cleaned up your Outlook calendar in a fraction of the time it would have taken to delete each event individually. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.